Hello everybody, I know you've been waiting for the YouTube video of the chatbot, and I'm sorry guys, it's been a long time and I was really busy, but I'm now not busy, and I really want to show you how to build this chatbot from scratch. I even made sure that I create a full wiki of how to build that chatbot. You'll find that information in the GitHub repository for this chatbot, which I'll share below the link. And don't forget to subscribe and also share this video if you find it useful, and make it out there, make it pop out of there, man.